past, the thin oxygen and sparse facilities have deterred all but the most determined and adventurous travellers, and for centuries this ancient landscape and its people have been shrouded in mystery. Surrounded by some of the highest mountain peaks on the planet, Tibet, which for so long has remained inaccessible, is today one of the most remarkable and beautiful countries to visit. Until recently, many engineers thought it would be impossible to build a railway line here through some of the most difficult and inhospitable terrain in the world. But in 2006, against all the odds, the highest railway in the world, which was completed a whole year ahead of schedule, opened. In this programme, there's a unique chance to ride the new train as we soar to a world record 16,640 feet, as well as taking time to look at everyday life in Tibet. It's now possible to buy a through ticket from Beijing to Lhasa, which takes some 48 hours non-stop. The implications of the new railway for the lives of everyone, from rural peasants to city dwellers in Lhasa, have yet to become fully apparent. At present, the concerns of many Tibetans seem to be focused mostly on a daily invasion of Chinese tourists. Each trainload carries around 900 visitors. Over half of the new line is laid on permafrost, which has created some unique engineering problems that were eventually overcome by employing several different methods, including using special heat pins laid alongside the track to ensure that the temperature of the frozen subsoil is always maintained. In fact, so much of the ground proved to be unstable that the number of viaducts had eventually to be more than doubled. Lhasa station is the end of the line, at least for now. Plans have already been announced for a further 100-mile extension to Shigaze to form the first stage of a Tibetan domestic rail network. Hopefully, these changes will also bring some tangible benefits to all citizens, while still allowing Tibetans to maintain their unique traditional identity. Bye for now.